Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how you can withdraw your Hamster token to Binance and any other exchange. Let's get it started. You have a chance to claim before the 21st of September. Otherwise, you won't be able to claim your Hamster token after that date. So make sure you claim your token as soon as possible. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I regularly upload high profitable airdrops, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated. Alright, first, open your Hamster Kombat mini app on Telegram. Now, go to the airdrop section where you'll see many options to withdraw Hamster coins. If you want to withdraw your coins to your Telegram wallet, you can choose the last option. But today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw them to Binance. Select Binance, and you'll need to enter your Hamster Kombat address and memo. Now, open your Binance app and go to the wallet section. From there, search for Hamster, and you'll find the address and memo. Copy both the address and memo, then return to the Hamster Kombat airdrop section and paste them in. Set it as your default withdrawal option, and that's it. Once Hamster Kombat starts distributing, you'll automatically receive your Hamster Kombat tokens in your Binance account. That's all for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how you can withdraw your Katazen airdrop to Binance. So make sure to subscribe for more high profitable airdrops. I'll see you soon.